Managing your personal finances should not only be a task, it should be a responsibility. And whether you're a student, a freelancer, a doctor, or an accountant, you should take this responsibility very seriously. In the last video, we talked about how we can track our income and expenses on a monthly basis. Today, we're going to talk about how we can use AI to help us do that more effectively. AI can analyze the data, which takes a long time to do if you do it manually or by yourself. Or if you go to a financial advisor, they would charge you a lot of money. So therefore, AI can help analyze your data and identify spending patterns and give you feedback. It can also quickly generate budgets based on your spending habits. It can manage your investments. It can track your investments for tax purposes, calculate gains and losses that you need to report to HMRC. It can track all your subscriptions. Sometimes we forget how many subscriptions we have across platforms. And more importantly, it can be easy to use, give answers to your financial questions in real time. So let's talk about 3 paid apps and 3 free apps which are available on both Android and iOS, which you can use to get help from AI. So the first app I'm going to talk about is Clio. Clio is an AI expense management app with a personality. It can be linked to all your bank accounts and it would have read-only access. It would get all the data, ingest it and analyze it so that it can answer your questions in real time, because it has a chatbot where you can ask different questions about your spending, about what is left in your bank account, and it would respond to you. It can also track your spending habits and roast you and give you reminders if you're going over the budgets, and it would track all your subscriptions and billings. The second app I'm going to talk about is Pocket Guard. Pocket Guard also links to your bank accounts. It understands your spending habits and creates budgets on the first day by deducting all your expenses and bills. It also keeps track of all your bills and subscriptions over the month, and you can also ask questions related to finance to improve your understanding related to managing personal finance. The third app is Empower. Empower can help you track your investments and retirement savings. It has a retirement planner where you can put the target amount that you want to have on your retirement age and then calculate how much you should save on a monthly basis to meet that target. It has an investment tracker, so it would track all your investments and based on your investments would calculate your gains and losses. It also has cash flow budgeting, so you can track and monitor your cash flows on a month-to-month basis. Now let's talk about paid finance apps. First in my list is Monarch Money. Monarch Money lets you aggregate all your bank accounts into one place. It would give you a dashboard view of all your current accounts, saving accounts, investments, and other accounts. You can also give access to your partner or your financial advisor. They can access and have the combined view of your dashboard. And like other apps, it also provides cash flow and budgeting, but it is a bit more detailed than the free apps. Second in my list is Clio Plus. So it has everything that Clio has in the free version, but it has added functionality such as credit monitoring and more detailed budgeting and analysis. The last app in the paid list is Quick and Simplify. So Quick and Simplify also has dashboard. It has ability to connect your bank accounts, ingest the data, more or less anything that the other paid or free apps offer you to do. It creates dynamic spending plan depending on like what income level you're on, what income level you could be, what expenses you're going to have in this month, which could be different from the next month expenses. So it has more options and have a broader view of your budget rather than just sticking to the 1 month plan. You can input more data so that it can generate more realistic plan for your future spendings. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you like it. I will come back again with more content to educate you about personal finance, to educate you what different finance terms mean, and answer any of your questions which you have related to finance.